Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wide salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knot is connecting. I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I got tripled up sound. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Happy monthly open. Happy weekly open. Happy Monday open. Coke Zero. MEXC 83. James Rick Deneth. Devov. Let's get hyped up. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. 36 months. MEXC 83 shout outs. MEXC 83. Let's go. Thank you so much for the gift subs. Make sure you thank the man. Get the umbrellas out.
Flexing on my mind, structure fibs in order for profiling volume and time. Hyenas try to laugh, but the lion's gonna feast. Nerd out to take the battle from Lithuania to Wall Street. PSG representing, sniping the demand. 10,000 hours, conviction with the plan. Flex grinding every night, got the knowledge in our hand. Juice running through our veins, we the wise lions, man. Why? Charts go red, we don't panic, we keep vibing. Divergence is calling, we ready and dive in and validate the doubt.
Lock in.
Mind sharp, pull the trigger and the profits take flight. Yeah. Math in the plan, Kimba game built to ascend. Yeah. Prepare from the start, we ride in every trend. Woo. Lions to the top, nerd out juice will never end. If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Nah. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run. If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Nah. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run. Kimba. Oh my, look who clapped them at the 7.5. 30-inch rims slapped on the Brinks trucks we drive. Market smash and take off with the spaceship vibe. Yeah. Your liquors are entry, don't test this lion tribe. Yeah.
Let's go. Good morning, Kimba. Let's get nasty on the month, Coke Zero. Snap diddly, Coke Zero. Shout out to Coke Zero. Happy monthly open. Hey, much love, Coke Zero. Much love, MEXC. Thank you so much for the gift sub. Let's go. It's going to be the best month yet. Best week yet. Best community yet. That's for damn sure. Lock in. Ace. Alf. MEXC, let's go. Shout out to MEXC. Shout out to Coke Zero, Orips, Syed, El Pasoto, James Rick. He nasty. He nasty. Abuelito. Dennis, Juicin' Long, El Pasoto, Mark. 10 Binds, Daydream. Maybe Bandit. That thing looks really cool, maybe Band-Aid. Thanks for sharing that with me. When's it supposed to come out? I love stuff like that, man. Yeah, maybe. Gucci. Yeah, I'm gonna talk with you about that later. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Maybe not Kimba level great, but hopefully it felt great like that. Because you know he was on a yacht or something, juicing. But I know we juicing. It's not now time to get locked in. Who wants predictions? Let's get the CoinWise levels up. Let's see what we're working with. Exclamation CoinWise. And we'll go through the dashboard real quick as well. But exclamation CoinWise, Vladimir. Snap diddly Kimba. MEXC on the yacht with Kimba over the weekend. Juicing. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go. All right, levels. Nearest unfilled rotations on the weekly. Value area high 61,467. We're getting kind of close to that. Start accepting inside. Yeah, we got all kinds of levels on here. Ooh, this is a different. I think I removed all my levels. Thank goodness. Yeah. Rotation zone. I did. That's a weekly. Value area low. Hype chest on the way. Let's go. Yeah, down here. There it is. Unfilled rotation. There's a monthly and a weekly down here. Let's go. 58,116. No cat, we clever. Oh my gosh. I didn't even need to do all that. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Let's go. I think that's Coke Zero. Let's go. Thank you. Hey, get ready. Lock in. CoinWise Basic 10x. All right. Previous day. Value area high 63,648. We'll have our rotation marked in here if we begin to accept back inside. And our previous week, 64,672 value area low, 62,845. We're holding value, sort of. We're kind of losing it. We need to get back inside up here. Break these highs and start closing, and then we're opening up the rotation potentially. Let's go! Giveaway! Exclamation enter! Let's get it! Thank you to Coke Zero. Shout outs Coke Zero. You know what we need to do? I would like to hit him with the D, but this is in honor of Coke Zero. You want to hear your song, Coke Zero? Because I love this song. And this is a tribute to you, brother. The full inspiration. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter, exclamation enter. Let's go, exclamation enter, exclamation enter. Shout out to Coke Zero. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. Is it sunset? This is trend candles. So it's not even showing like red or white, or red or black, red or green, whatever color. I'm Gucci Magucci, exclamation enter, exclamation enter. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, I'll circle around. Exclamation enter. Congratulations. I'm gonna turn this down. I'm Gucci Magucci smoking on that Latucci. Shout out to Coke Zero. Thank you so much, brother. All right, congratulations to Red Hair Shanks. Who juicing? Leagues Eagle. 10 binds. Wait a minute. James Rick, maybe Band-Aid. Sierzant from Poland. Capped float, size up, synonym. Let's go, congratulations. Okay, so synonym, size up, cap float, Sierzant from Poland, James Rick, maybe a Band-Aid, Red Hair Shanks, Who Juicin', Leagues Eagle, and 10 binds. Congratulations, that's a great group, amazing. Thank the man. Thank you, Coke Zero. Legend. Shout out to Coke Zero. Much love, brother. Make sure you guys thank him. And to redeem, connect your Twitch at coinwise.com / Discord. Just click the link and link your Twitch in their Discord. Check your email for the gift code and use the code on the subs page. Make sure that you link your trading view in coinwise.com. And if you need any assistance, the Coinwise support is unparalleled. So hit them up in the Discord or through their website. They're Gucci Magucci smoking. No, they just Gucci Magucci. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you to Coke Zero. I hope you all enjoy it. I can't wait to see some screenshots of the indicators. And ooh-wee, we got some new indicators coming out very, very soon. Sunset was commenting that they liked these appearances a little bit more than the black and white candles. Black and white is trigger, or green and red is triggering to me, and I like to see like my levels. I don't need to normally see the green or the red color. It doesn't really make much difference to me. It's the levels that make a difference to me. But if it works better for y'all, well, you're going to be seeing this this visual a lot more on a lot more charts because this indicator is incredible. This is the confirmation matrix. Shout out to Houston. Thank you, brother. Yeah, exclamation Coinwise, and check out that link on their Discord. Their Discord is juice anyway. Yeah, grow their Discord. Share screenshots, chat it up in there. The Lions are strong. He's gonna get every dang emote. Dude, I think that they do that to us on purpose, maybe. That goose might be special edition. You might not even be able to get it anymore. Who's selling theirs? Biffum's got some. Hit him up. Shout outs to Biffum. Shout outs to Colin New. Shout outs to Rogelicious. Huge shout outs to Coke Zero. Big thank you. And shout outs to MEXC 83. Lions are juicing already on Monday. All right, what are we working with? We got bad lows right here, as shown by the brand new TPO indicator. Really visualized quite nicely. It actually was a bad low from before, though, from way back, and we are still holding it. It seems like they want it, but they kind of want to hold it at the same time. This goose, oh, snap diddly, Coke Zero. That is like not even low-key flex. That's just flex. Man, I always dreamed of having a Bentley. You mean like this Mulliner? Snap diddly! Let's go, maybe. I mean, like any one of them. Shit. Let's go. Yeah, I like that one. Is that the one that you got, maybe? I think I have that one. Are buying or buying? Adam. What? You got some frog? I think I had the frog too, man. Okay. We're starting to change colors. We have CVD bullish. Yeah, what do you think about getting this panel up in the chart view for the confirmation matrix? So it gets us in tune, but we have a divergence here on both the confirmation matrix for CVD and on our EDV. Yeah, projected upwards. Pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna be using this a lot more, but look at that. I mean, it maybe doesn't play out every single time, but I tell you what, it's pretty juicy. You see this at a lot of bottoms and a lot of tops. Oh, they came and got it. But that was the weekly open. So what are you going to do? Right into futures. Yeah, once we begin to use this more, we're going to see time frames that work on different assets. You got everything linked up. Let's go, Synonym. Enjoy it, man. Make sure you thank Coke Zero. Juicing up the Lions. Let's go. How we doing, Oxaden? Shoutouts to Baby Lunar on the Lion King and Nookie and B43424767. That was my own addition. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you get into the Wise Lions on the Discord. It is juice in there. We must have some Den update this morning! Exclamation Discord. Kimba's Den. Swim and hang out with dolphins all weekend. I mean, shit. You know what I did? We had a birthday party for a 1-year-old. I did go swim with dolphins, but it wasn't like. Oh, it's not the same. It's not the same. But when you live at the beach, let's go. Hope everybody touched grass, touched dolphins, touched Latuche, whatever it is. Did something that made you happy. It's time to lock in. We got a single print right above. It's going to serve a little bit of resistance and its value area high on this session. Previous day value area low right here, and you got structure. We're running right into it to the pixel. To the pixel. Oh, I caught the bottom. I caught the bottom. Ah, fuck. All right. You let me out break even. I'll never do a trade like that again. Curvies. Skip Moha, good morning. Sophia. Synonym. Facts. Wait, which one don't you have, Coke Zero? You don't have the frog? Damn. Yeah, the goose is definitely OP though. All right, well, we're beginning to change colors on our confirmation matrix, so it's better to not be red if you're trying to be in a long. I think Coke Zero might have taken this. If he didn't, he probably took this. Yes, and on the indicator, the matrix that we are seeing the color candles with, when you have, these are trend candles. This is EMA Cloud. And it's been working pretty nicely. Kind of treat this oscillator here like support resistance. It's you know, kind of like follows things like VWAP or a really tight EMA or something, but that's like the half trend line. Yeah, you see it like walks up, it follows down pretty closely to the price. Not too bad. It's just like for early signals. But I wouldn't use that as like your entry. Pretty cool though. You see that thing following price? You got that color change? You color change, we're gonna long it. I don't know about that, but it just changed colors here again. Damn. How they do that? How they do that? Pretty cool. Yes, and this is from the expected daily volatility, right? Is it? It's gotta be. Yes. So this one moves with price. This one is pretty static, and it's really pretty Gucci with like your expected range for historical volatility. That takes us right back up to the weekly rotation. It's got to be testnet. That's right, Mark. Good morning, Indo Lion. Focacino. Triple bottom's not a thing. I don't know. Where do you want your triple bottom at, Focacino? It's a thing. You took a long on Friday and a short on 63,780 as planned. Juice. Damn. How did you get filled? Dude, he got filled on somebody's liquidation. For real. Just a spread fill. Holy shit. Let me see this. Where did it go on Binance? What? You gotta be kidding me. Where? Holy shit, he was the top. He is a whale for a reason. Amazing, dude. Amazing. Legend. Holy shit. Aristroka, how are we doing? Ways to take a trade advance move before there are ever there. Have a nice mouth? Yeah, sorry, brother. You want me to watch my language? 5 BTC? You got a spread to 64.2? Wow. Was it, you had it laddered up to there and you just like got, man, that's so juice. That's sick, man. I'm in. It happens though, right? That's so juice. Shoutouts Coke Zero, well deserved. Yeah, if you want to be setting highs, if you want to be setting the lows, nerd out, work hard, you'll be catching them with Coke Zero. CoinWise is helpful, don't get me wrong, but you got to put the work in too. You got to learn to read the tools, learn to read the market, and learn to follow your plan. Exclamation CoinWise, let's go. Kimba's dropping some sweet links for us. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Neil, how we doing? Oh, you want me to say Bugatti? You want me to say it like I normally say it? Aristroka? Bugatti, 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 juice, 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 juice. It's too easy. A Bugatti! Following the plans, math, and data. Math and data. Shout out to Coke Zero. Chiga, good morning. Orups. Lonik Zak. Thank you for the resub. 28 months, let's go. Maybe. Where is your emo? I mean, your little dude. You got a ninja now? That's awesome. Cozier is a Batman. Hello, Dayox. Good morning. 411 Peace. Good morning. Mr. Larry's. Cheers and good morning to you. Theory. Snippy Snap. El Pasoto. Ding, 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 ding. We didn't even TA anything yet. Shit. Look at this. That's disgusting. Nice little gap up. We didn't get rate cuts last week. Market doesn't seem to mind. Monthly open today. We have some earnings today. 8 years, bro. Good morning. Exclamation soldier. Shout outs to Skip Moha. Shout outs to the OGs that remember that. Kimba. Oh man, how did it go? How did it go? I can't even remember. I gotta turn all this stuff off at the sides. All right, all right, all right. That looked like a bottom. It looks like it got the low here on CME. Did it get it if it was not adjusted? We're into the new month. And looking back historically, we don't really need it. Gap down. Oh, Cachoya. Gap down. We have gaps off. We have a lot going on this chart right now. Yeah, they might want that low. They held it. They held it the other day. Did they end up getting it? Yeah, it was that one, I think, that we were talking about. But we got a rotation to the downside still to fill. On CME, Bitcoin futures, I had turned on the watermark and the app is not showing it. That was for Inky. Gypsy artist, let's go. How we doing this morning? Thank you for the resub. And Chauncey, shout out to Chauncey. Shout out to Chauncey. Shout out to all the mods and admins, to the entire team, and all the Lions, of course. Cage, Husty, Buzzo, Chauncey Cyper, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd, Ready, Gypsy. Let's go. All the mods, the admins, the developers, graphics, video teams, legends. Shout out to CoinWise, our official stream sponsor. Shout out to the huge supporters. Shout out to the Wise Lions. Exclamation NFT, Lions of Liquinia Juice. Who's been juicing up on Wise Lions? Trackalicious says, okay, nuke to 61. I mean, it's kind of trying to hold it, and S&P help me if you want to do that. I think maybe we get a clean up here beforehand. These lows, I mean, those highs, pretty ugly, aren't they? I guess you got a clean, sort of. Maybe it played out and cleaned the lows. No. Yeah.
Early morning, sun up, money on my mind. They still sleep. I've been grinding through the night. Check the charts, check the plan, check the price. We don't move off hype, we move on sight.
Yeah, to the pixel. Definitely a gap up though. Give it some time. We'll look at Bugamas in a few minutes. Oh, our bars are on top of each other. It's just right at the open. And then a little bit wider range. Potentially up to 7,600, potentially down to like the lower 75s. It's pretty juicy, the hold that we had. That was a nice little monthly close on traditional markets.
They be stuck in the hype, we be stuck in repeat. See the spread, check the bid, let them overextend. Take a breath, trust the math, we don't play to pretend. Money comes, money goes, but the mind stay the same. If you solid in the loss, then you ready for the gains. They not like us, they don't play right. Moving reckless, blow they bands right.
The levels are okay.
We just laying right. Kimba gang up, yeah, we stand tight. They not like us, they don't grind right. They just panic when the time tight. We just focus, we don't blind sight. Stay sharp. Math in motion, we gon' shine.
On the monthly, that doesn't look finished. Does it look finished to you? I don't think so. Oh man. Nice little strength on the open. Yeah, we'll look at big gammas in a few minutes. Let some of these orders kind of filter in. Is it SpaceX today? I think so.
Kimba gang on my shoulders, we ain't folding. Juice dripping heavy, all these moves golden. Built this empire out of nothing but dreams. Now the profits add up, math levels extreme. Had to do the math, no mistakes in the books. Profits adding up, why they out here fishing hooks? Kimba gang Bugatti move speed past the hate.
Well, got those highs. Wait a minute, we need to see like targets. And potentially 7,600, potentially even higher. We're not that far from the big highs. But right in here, 7650, no good. This is a daily chart and look at these highs. I can't even get them in. Bad, bad, bad. It's weak and a lot of weak highs. It's happened before and it's rolled over. Who just said that? Shit. This is pretty juice off the open. Let's just talk about this. I'm fucking so stupid, man. I do this all the time. I need to work on that. Yeah, so value area low. We have some room to go. To the pixel, that's to the pixel, what I was talking about before. Weekly, let's get a previous in here. We're not going to worry about the current session just yet. Holding that low. But the thing is, this is like the candle body on the 4 hour. It's pretty nice. Start eating into this. I mean, I feel like those are coming. Yeah, it's not looking super good the way this got denied up here. And then again, this right here. If you need white, it might look a little bit more clear. That's white enough. This is the dashboard, coinmex.com/dashboard. Thank you, El Pasoto. If you're not sure what naked volume point of control is, you can learn more. Little video, little write-up. We got an options one that we just got our hands on. They're gonna have a big gamma one coming out soon. Juice. And a real nice write-up on it. I synced it. I synced it. Wallet Sacha, how we doing? Gypsy, how you doing, man? Cake Shower, good morning. Malik, how we doing? Orips. You want to see ES and Bitcoin together? Okay. Any Strakos. Ari Strakos, sorry. Let's get through the last bit of this. So daily, you know, into the weekly open. We got a little bit of recovery, but the lows are no good. Holding that's the triple bottom that we were talking about. Valentina, how we doing? Good morning, how are you? Liquidations, I can imagine there's quite a bit below us. You can see this on coinwise.com/dashboard and also on exclamation BTC Live. Exclamation BTC Live. Go up in time frame. How we doing it? Shishi Booey, good morning. I love to hear that, Barentina. Yep, still the same. Hope you had a great weekend, dude. Hope everybody did. Yeah, that's 61.3. We've been talking about that for a week or two. Trackalicious, thank you. Oh no, man. Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays. We should be hyped up on Mondays. Not that it makes much difference because we had expiries on Friday morning. But these things are growing. You should be watching these every day. Watch how they change. Watch them after markets close too, because this is like the next big mover in like what I would do is, if you're not like paying super good attention to this is all great. This is total. But like if you're on Thursday afternoon, look at it for the weekly expiry. If you're just on a normal day, look at it and it's not like a weekly or monthly expiration that's coming up. Look at it for your next day, the most recent one. So like this is going to have some effect on price, and it, especially if it's bigger, and definitely it's going to have more effect on price after like the US session closes. It helps a lot, man. Coinwise.com/dashboard. We'll nerd out on this a lot harder once you guys get your hands on the Coinwise full nerd out that is upcoming. Coinwise.com/dashboard. SPY's a sweep. I don't know, man. It's just dipping into the gap. Yeah, and don't forget about the CME open interest, and there is CME open interest coming on CoinWise as well for trading view candles. Yes, sir. And that can be turned into net longs and shorts. No girls, no friends, no one can help. We strong. Ari Stroka, you focus on you, and all of it will come. Coming soon. All right. Shout out to CoinWise dashboard. It's not a sweep until it closes back below. Are you saying like SPY, like for real SPY, or SPOOs and you're like just calling it SPY? Just out of curiosity, because I don't really chart SPY that much. Damn, where is it? I mean, it's going to be close to the same structure. Yeah, it's like the same thing, basically, except for the gap is a little bit different. Yeah, if it rejects back out of the gap, really you want it to kind of tap back in here. It still could be holding our gap locally. So I wanted to see that. I wanted to show the monthly candle. Just on clean, no trend candles, no extra indicators, nothing. That doesn't look like a top. I feel like this is coming at some point. This is just a pause. This is indecision. That doji up here. Maybe it rolls over like this did. And then doink. Maybe it rolls over like this one. Whew. That was a pretty nuts one. Can you believe that that was only a year and a few months ago? I see you, big techs. Locally, potentially. It's got to tuck in though. It's got to tuck in and get back inside. Like doing this with cleaning these lows here and holding the gap looks better for more upside than downside. Yeah, I think that it may be an appropriate time to pull up the Bugammas now. And then we can look at anything else that we may have to work with. Exclamation Bugamma. And this is Monday. It's monthly open, weekly open, Monday open. All right, it's live. Biggest for today looks to the downside, but 7,600 is a little something. Where are we? Yeah, that's gonna be support for right now. And let me get a better view. Yeah, we got a big gamma right on top of us. Yeah, it's almost there. It's gravitating up there. It's probably going to be a little bit of resistance early, unless they can get some real volume coming in. 75.50. Exclamation Boo Gamma. Exclamation XO. Got some of the longs that were early longers stopping out by BITO. I mean, Bybit USD coin margin on Bybit is stopped out a lot. OKEX and Binance still kind of holding a little bit of shorts into the lows here, and they're kind of holding also. We'll see though. Exclamation XO. See for yourself if you do not have XO for yourself. And I wonder where I have this defaulted. Bybit USD. Yeah, potential divergence down here, but it didn't sweep. It is. I say exaggerated. High or low? Or it's borderline anyways, because it was equal lows. Okay. I wonder about this. I'm gonna look on. Yeah, a lot of those shorts are coming out on this candle right here. It looks like. Snap diddly. Let's get it over to the real charts again. Because that's a nice open. Oh, it was Kachoya and then it is Juice. Juice. Running it back on us. But I mean, when S&P opens like that, nice gap up. I think we just got the gap on CME. No, not at all. Oh yeah, it got it. It got it. But it didn't get the one from Thursday to Friday. You have double music? Really? In what? How? Is it gone? There was one song in there. Dude. Sorry. Hope is lost, but in the wind, we stay strong. That's poetic, Aristarchus. Can we break this day Fibonacci? Take a sweep low. What are you looking for, Ari? No weekend time, you getting old. The 386 to hang out, the price was trying. Well, here's your ES and Bitcoin together. Trying to hold the trend. Let's look at it in the hourly. That's a nice hourly candle right here, and it's still green. Yeah, keeping it rolling. Got a rotation zone up at that 76.19. I think we get above much higher than this. And those highs are looking pretty good. This local week high potentially could be interesting on CME. It's not so bad in ETH, but in RTH it looks like not great, and it's from right here. So got the gap. There's been quite a few occasions recently that we have run up for that local sweep or grabbed the gap and then sold off. Fill that inefficiency. And then sell off. Even off of strength in the open. Yeah, what was that first 5-minute candle? I gotta see this. Pay it out. Red. Yeah, how about the other day? That was crazy. Friday, sell it hard into the lows and then hold it and bounce. Hilarious. Inky, I had it on the watermark and the app erased it. This is ES. I switched it back actually. Is that what, did I do that? Can you see it now? No, you can't see it. Green August, please, says Shishibui. As long as it's a green P&L. That was a small prize pool. JPX was the victor in that. Let's get a Johnny Drama victory. Yeah, we got all green in our confirmation matrix. Green P&Ls. Things looking good for the open on ES. We're gonna keep an eye on tucking back below this. We got naked pointing control above. Potential higher though. Yeah, rotation at 76.19. We're just gonna keep an eye on that. That monthly candle is. Oh, there you go, Inky. Nice. Winning. It's in the song. It is poetry. It sounds great. I like this song. I mean, this is a big old candle. Archon, Malik. When the music from your head spills into the stream, let's go. I know, dude. Like all the voices. Dom check. Fuck, man. Getting a little bit of shorts here, I guess. There were a lot of shorts into the lows. Shorts, even as it was bouncing. So from the very low on Friday, about 100 million, 172 million. Then they round tripped it. A couple times. Open interest is starting to reset though. That's volume and time point of control right here. Nice way to break out from that consolidation. I would venture that that is value area high from down here. Pretty close to it anyway. Yeah, and probably value area low for this. No? Oh, it's because I didn't. Where we lost it. I'll include it. I almost rotated through. We had a couple of rotations lately. Okay, so for Biddy, if you're long, you kind of want to hold this down to the point of control on the daily session. 62.8 would be nice. And this is for Coinbase. Let's get the levels on here. Is this the right one? PDEQ, beautiful. And previous day VWAP. Nice profit target for that, and it's a bad high now. So we ran it all the way back, bounce, reject right to PDEQ. Yeah, we want to hold that. This is our new VWAP, but around this area. Even if it wicks through the monthly open, it has a chance to remain bullish. If it ends up back there, this is the initial balance. So it's just kind of like a smaller version of a value rotation. It could rotate right through. It could also be resistance, but I wouldn't really put too much stock into it once we're into the market hours during the week for Coinbase anyways. If it was for CME, that's different because RTH is king. The NPOC on ES. Shoutouts to Kimba. Is that in the Wise Lines or the Den? Parentina. Previous month point of control almost to the pixel. The Den. Exclamation Discord. If you aren't checking the Den, you're missing out. You're missing out. Kimba's Den. I can't even play one song at a time. Shit. Can you turn the vibes up? It wants the music a little louder. Yep, 7580 is 7590. Yeah, I seen that. On ES though, or S&P. Let's see where it hit resistance on S&P. We got gamma shifting. You got more coming in, all the way up to 75.90.
Market structure change, now my fib legit. Just ran those numbers, KIMBA'S edge, laughing to the bank. Bit you talk that weak shit, but my bias stay patient. I want smoke that green in the matrix.
Let's go, Barentina. Thank you. My name is Longs. Good morning. How are you doing? Adam Angeles. Thank you. Yep. That's right. My name is Long. They're definitely not here for me. So we got a bad high above us, a rotation zone, naked point of control on S&P, and more bad highs above that. And we open with strength like this. Biggest boot gamma right now for 0 day, around the 75.90. 75.75 is growing though. What? 10 coin-wise trembler. Hey, anybody that's in YouTube, just log into the Twitch to enter the giveaway. You don't have to watch it in Twitch, just come over there so you have a chance to win. 10 coin-wise basic subs coming at ya. Is this Coke Zero again? Lord of mercy. Shout outs to this generosity. Amazing. This is Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. Can you catch up on these new indicators? Yeah, we're getting caught up on them. We're getting caught up on them. Shout outs to Kimba Gang always. Missed a lot of juice. Yes, Coke Zero. Thank you, Coke Zero. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Let's go. Exclamation enter. Kimba Gang number 1. Yes. Coke Zero is juicing his ass off. And sharing that with the Lions. Hey, be grateful. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. Coke is an MVP. Malik. Ari. What? Make another account, Ari. Zelamaya. Let's go. Shout out to Coke Zero. It did close above right here. So for CME, just watch settlement. I keep an eye on that. I'm actually gonna get rid of this monthly open right here. Maybe it's on here. I don't need monthly open. Maybe I'll get that on there instead. Previous week EQ. Yep, so two of the new indicators that you're seeing on here are the new TPO, and it's got bad highs Exclamation enter, exclamation enter, exclamation enter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Coke Zero already gave 10 away earlier this morning and 10 more right now. He juicing so hard. Exclamation enter. Shouts to Coke Zero. The Lions are juicing today. Let's get it. They're not published yet. They're going to be coming out very soon. They're getting finalized right now and I think packaged up for TradingView. They have like little stipulations when you're publishing indicators. Let's go, R8. Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to like keep it rolling. The music is nice to be loud if I'm not speaking, but I'm trying to just like keep on rolling with the TA and stuff. You don't want the music to be too loud, right? If you don't want the TA and you just want to vibe out, you know, we can do that. Exclamation enter though, you got to do that first. Can't wait to juice like Coke and gift as much as he. Yeah, oh, I love that. 58 participants, shout outs to Coke Zero, much love, brother. Oh my gosh, this is such a great group too. You guys are juicing, all right. All right, so congratulations. We got the instructions up here. Make sure you connect your Twitch at coinwise.com. Just click the link, mycoinwise.com/discord settings. Check your email for the gift code. Make sure that you link your TradingView in coinwise.com and juice. You check them out. If you have any difficulty, make sure you hit up their support. They are very, very helpful. Amazing support team. Amazing team over there in general. A lot of Lions are a part of the CoinWise community. And they, you know, they're Lions at heart. Coke Zero is a big lion heart on him. That's for sure. Thank you to Coke Zero. If you juiced up on a sub, make sure you thank the man. Congratulations to Lua Bambua, General Potato, Walter Crypto, Inky. I love seeing PSG juicing. Let's go. Shout out to PSG. Swinny2. S-Winnie2. Cheers Crypto, Alf, Token Goof, and Source. All right, so congratulations. Make sure you follow his instructions. Go to that link. Oh, Silas, I missed it. Shout out to Silas, Lua Bambua, General Potato, Walter, Inky, S-Winnie2, Cheers Crypto, Alf, Token Goof, and Source. Big, huge thank you to Coke Zero. Absolute legend. You did, General Potato. It's okay, you can connect it now. You won, dude. Shout outs to General Potato, enjoy it. Yeah, let's spread the word. Post it on social media. Put it on X. Share. Get the word out there. Their indicators are amazing. Tons of education. They have a trading journal, and that's about to get revamped as well. I know that it's in development right now, but their journal already is great. Daily levels, indicators, education. I mean, they're giving us the tools, that's for sure. Shout out to Coke Zero. Huge W. Much love, Coke Zero. Legend. Silas. That's right. That's amazing. Thank you to Houston. If you don't know what we're talking about, coinwise.com. Exclamation coinwise. What do we got coming up later today? Who juicing Premier? Ooh-wee. Kimba live trading tomorrow. LGT tomorrow afternoon. Make sure that if you have not entered that talent show to make some music, it's a lot of fun. And you can win big money doing it. Exclamation talent show. Yeah, you just put in your lyrics. What does a bad high mean? It's a bad high or a bad low is for a TPO profile feature. Sunset, I'll show you in just one second. I'm gonna get it on a cleaner view. And try to find one. I don't think I even have them marked on here. I might have them off on this. Oh, I do have it. Yeah, there aren't too many on RTH. Let's go on ETHC. Give it a second to load. It is loading a lot faster. Shout outs to KIMBA'S developers. Shout outs Cage. Yeah, we're gonna see a lot more in because I got my tick size really small for single prints on CME. Juice right here. I mean, S&P helped me. It's definitely helping our lungs. All right. So a bad high or a bad low. You got bad low right here, bad high right here. Got different colors just so we can pick them out easier. I'll turn that off. And oh, love this song. All right, for TPO. Bad means that you have, it's, so for the definition of it, it's an unfinished auction. An unfinished auction means that you have not cleaned liquidity pretty much. There's no like definitive rejection. It just kind of like, it's, that's really like kind of the definition of a failed auction, even though we use structure to explain that. On a TPO profile, if you have not multiple blocks at a high or a low, so it's a single TPO tail is what this is called. Alright, I'll get it on. I just need to fucking get it on something that's completely clean.
Two letters, one word, hypnotize. Yeah. No limits, let it go. Choose the prophets now, let it flow. Two letters, one word, meaning your life.
Is it still not doing it? We're gonna forget about that. We're just gonna see this. This high right here, you see there's two blocks that are unpaired. That's called a tail. This is called a selling tail because it's at the highs. It's sold off. That, if there's two or more single print tails, that's what a single print is. A single print, one row, no other rows. That means it only traded there during one 30-minute period in a daily session. Okay, we're just gonna do it for the 30-minute periods. It's like kind of the fundamental of market profile. 30-minute periods, daily sessions, you get 48 periods in a day. Nice tail right there. That's a selling tail. At the lows, it's called a buying tail. That's a good low. That's a good high. This is a single print within the profile. This varies based on the number of ticks per row you have. So it's like tells you how big the blocks are. I have it on 5,000 on Coinbase. That means $50 row size. So the blocks are $50 represented. Each block, each letter that you see here represents a 30-minute period in the daily profile. But it doesn't matter what period it is, just for getting a grasp of what we're looking at in general. If there's only one, there is an imbalance, or just definitive one side took, it's not an imbalance in the market, it was an imbalance between buyers and sellers. Sellers definitively concluded that auction and sold off at the highs. Somebody pushed price so aggressively that it couldn't even return during that period for a single print. Some imbalances are more prone to be filled than others. At these lows, we do not have that tail. Without even seeing the price on the chart, you can mark this and say, well, that doesn't look too good. Once you begin to see it, definitely two, definitely multiple, it's worse and worse and worse. This is a unbelievable example of a bad high. It's poor. It's also a TPO feature called a ledge, right there and right there. It's a big shelf. You have them in volume profiles too. But this is an incomplete auction. It failed, it rolled over, either from lack of interest or absorption. But you get this happening a lot on the weekends. I didn't even see the bottom, but I could see that, and you can't see it between the avatars, but if you look real closely for a second, you might see that this says Saturday. This was the first. That is just like asking for it. How many periods in this session did we try at this high and fail? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we had another 15 more. It was like almost every single period in the whole goddamn session that it was testing that high and could not break it. That's a lot of stop losses above that. Does that make sense? There would be a lot of stop losses. I mean, you set your stop loss beyond structural highs or lows, don't you? You think that everybody else doesn't? Yeah, absolutely, Sunset. We don't even need to see the candles. Some people will split this TPO profile and they'll just trade it like that, dude. For real. So those highs right there, those are the 10 periods in the session. That might be like, take some getting used to, but when you compare the profile with the chart, okay, I'm gonna just hit undo. When you compare those with the candles, you can see how many times it's like chipping away at that. And then all of a sudden you get this big dildo through it. It's running over all those stops. I wish I had open interest on this one. What candle is that? It was at 2 o'clock on Sunday. Yeah. All right, we'll remember that. I could throw it on there, but it's like kind of a headache. All right, so that's really bad. This one, marginally bad, but we haven't come back to it yet. It just means that we haven't come back to it. Now this is where it gets a little bit higher level when you're looking at, you got like 2 blocks versus even sometimes if you have 1 block, it's not like technically by the book, that's not even good if it's only 1 there. The indicator, so I was commenting on this the other day, that indicator just defaulted. If it had 2 or more at the highs or the lows, then it would mark it as bad. Now they give you the option and you can mark it with 1, 2, or 3. So if you want it to be like a for real good high or a low, like convincingly good, then you put it on 3. But 2 is good. It also depends on the size of your rows. So if you are doing like micro, let's say you're doing it like $20 rows instead, and that's not even that small. I'm running $2 rows for my single prints. Well, everything's gonna look good. That one even almost is good. You only have 2 of them. But look how small, these are $20. Bitcoin is trading at 63,000. Is $20 like, we can be really like within $100, I feel like, and it still is have a good chance of coming back to a high or a low. There we go. Now we had this 1 at the highs here. You have 2 at the highs here. And it means nothing until you approach them, but it makes it a nice target, just like this. Okay, it meant nothing. It actually means absorption when you change structure, but when we approach it again, it becomes a target. A liquidity target to either sweep or turn into support. And we actually, on this little area, I'll turn the candles off, mark this ledge. I mean, this point of control doesn't hurt either. For the early part of this session, at least, we broke through it. And turn that zone into support. Now you put volume on here too, and it's gonna look even better. Because that was the point of control also. But there's lots of reasons that those, and True Market Profile has time and volume on it. Come on, come on, come on now. Oh, we got it. It's got it all. So maybe more than you bargained for with that explanation. Maybe I'm mansplaining, maybe I'm oversplaining, but does it make sense to you now? Or a little bit better maybe? Ask anytime. It's not a new question. Yeah, shout outs to Adam Angela, shout outs to Sunset. Yep, got the dildo. We got the dildo. And S&P still pushing. Anytime, I mean, happy to explain, and I love TPO, man, so you get me talking about that. How can you see them on, can you see the bell curve on the end of the day? I mean, it's like based on the profile. You want me to, wait, what bans you? Yeah, it's not prices too high or too low. It just means that the highs are too, are finished or not finished. And even if it is finished, it can still come back. Markets are at the mercy of the participants. And participants are at the mercy of the markets. It's showing you the high volume nodes. Well, TPO, it's not really. Do you have it with TPO and the volume profile together? So you got both of them? This is why I got ghosted on the background. And then I have it just for like the value area. If you want that, but it's just like I have enough stuff on the chart already. I have my volume, point of control in the red lines. I have my TPO value, which I prefer that for like CME and for like S&P and stuff, for like a lot of the markets that you have big RTH influence and zero-day trading. So I have those, and I'll like reference those a lot more. If you have it just on RTH, you're gonna see these rotations a lot more. They're gonna be all over the chart because just about every day you're trading in or outside of value. We just completed this rotation. There's gonna be another rotation up here. When you gap down or gap up, there's always gonna be an unfilled rotation. It's still nice to see it. But having those profiles on the chart on top of that, I'll just put my VRVP on the side and maybe pull a fixed range, which we can pull fixed ranges clean also.
Me I did for soft life. No be my fault, now my birthright. Money go long like a turnpike. Trade on hits, I'm a pass mic. I no fish stress, I'm a with the chill. Big energy, I'm a with too real. Let them hate, I no go here.
Come on now. There we go. This dynamic fixed range profile, it's got everything on it. I'm gonna go from where we ended up down there. Point of control, volume and time at these lows. You want a higher time frame? In value. So gap up on Thursday, back in value, rotate through, reject outside, accept back in. Now we gravitate back to the point of control, volume and time. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But I'm gonna hide that right now. It's just nice to have it as clean as you can get it. And it's not very clean right now. We are tippity tapping the gap. Yeah, I also have turned off the gaps. These are all CoinWise indicators. This is the top of this gap right here. The blue down below, we still haven't filled this gap. Came pretty close. Close enough. If it bounces, you never have to fill a whole gap. You think it'll keep going up or down? I think it's going to go to the right. I think we might have room for more upside. But higher time frame, I'm going to be honest with you, my bias is not as bullish as some others. Not until we can break structure. Is that the one I was looking at? This is just the monthly open. Look at that, right at the lows. Pretty juice. So, on our daily chart, that's cool. Hold value. Lost that point of control. Maybe we can reclaim this point of control at 64K. That's going to look a lot better to potentially rotate to the upside. And we were talking about this rotation. You got to end down here. Even if it does this again, like we were like, oh, come on, you're going to not break that. Even if it does that again, getting in somewhere in here on a pullback and it goes all the way up here, that's a nice move. That's a real nice move. I can deal with that. But we were taking this swing fail down here. I could definitely deal with that. Even if it's not the bottom. We're making a plan for both. I'm not buying spot right here. I'll put it that way. I'm gonna say what I'm looking for if my conviction is going to become stronger for higher. And it's looking pretty good right now. But we're gonna go based on data. Exclamation CoinWise gives us a lot of tools to make our decisions. Yeah, let's get it back into the... Let's do that. Getting that high, cleaned it. What I was saying about this high though is even though it marked as a bad high, it's less bad when you have, so you see how it's like this one and then this one's a little bit higher. If you had like this and then this and then this and then this and then this for your highs, and it's just like lower, 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 lower highs, you're building up more stop losses here. This, the first candle, if they mark their stop losses at the high, these people got stopped out and they're like, oh, it went there again? Fuck, I gotta chase it. Or the longers, they're like, oh shit, it's breaking this high, breakout long. Oh fuck, I'm getting stopped out. That's fuel. Same thing for the lows. But that's like way back here. That was so juice. Hilarious. Anyways, the S&P is juicing, so we're not even going to worry about all that. I like it up to the single print. This is great. Maybe it pulls back and bounces. If it accepts back down inside this value, then I think the lows are coming. It's looking good for now. Yeah, it's now breaking out from value area. And we're going to look at this value area now. Ooh, maybe 3 drives though, because it broke struck. Well, that's not 3 drives. I'm retarded. Nice double bottom though, with the divergence. Lower low. And on our confirmation matrix, we started to get interested down here once that low held. But you didn't get a confirmation until the market opened. Let me see this. So pretty much, I mean, some people's trigger was right when it broke this 62.9. After that wick, reclaim. Some people, if they were 5-minute charting, oh, that's why. They were like, okay, okay, okay. I can't deal with this, with the half trend. It's really cool. It works great. It's just more things on the chart I can't do. So they had 2 of them on here. Alright, so I was pulling it for, was it for this? Right to the Kimba box in your 5-minute chart. You're like, fuck, I missed out, I missed out. Oh, it broke structure. It broke structure. And where did we get our confirmation? On this one, when it broke structure. This confirmation matrix, we're looking for these bottom 2, volume and CVD delta, green for longs. And then at least one of these other 3, structure, RSI, or trend confirmation. And we got all 5 of them right here, right before our entry, that we were following our plan. We broke the highs you know, you got to take shots if you want to juice. I'm not telling you to use this and it's your entry trigger. I'm saying how you can use it if you manage your risk. It's a piece of confirmation, piece of confluence to make a decision. For me, I will look at it like, did I turn TPO off? No, it's on here. I would have been in this one. But you have more data, and this right off of market open. It's pretty juice. This is the confirmation matrix. It's a indicator that they're about to release. It's from CoinWise, Ferrazzo, Joman. Cage says go to the 5-minute, draw a box over the first green trend candle after the retest. You talking about this one, Cage? This is the retest. Or are you talking about this one?
Now they copy levels that they can't prove. I don't chase WEEX, I chase executions. Stop loss set profit distribution. Big news week.
See, I don't like it until we get into those right here. Is this the one you're talking about? Just tell me the timestamp. So why I chose this one, pin it there, pin it here. You want it solid? Because that's where you're getting your confirmation. Okay, so you got 2. And then something else up here. But Cage is saying look at that one and compare it with what's going on over here. So I drew a box over that candle, came back, held that candle even though it wicked through it. And once it broke, it couldn't even come back there. Is that the right one? The first green candle from the low, this one? That's when everybody got bullish? I didn't. Those lows were shitty. But I'm different. This one is the right one that you liked, or this one? 855, okay. Yeah, I definitely didn't get bullish there because I don't think I was even awake then. Yeah, but that's really juicy. Like, right where you had that EMA trend, you had your confirmation, at least the CVD, at least the trend, it was getting way less bearish. So the red is going away. How do I get rid of this white? Is it because I had 2 of them on here? Do I have 2 of them on here? I had that for a reason. That's why. So fucking stupid. Because I was doing that TPO thing. There we go. That's what we're looking for. I was like, why do these candles look so dim? Yeah, that looks better. So it held the lows over here. These lows. And locally on the 5 minute, I guess, we broke above, kind of back into this zone down here. But CVD, your trend is all red coming into these lows. Where's this fucking stupid thing? Your trend's all red coming down through here. Red, 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 red. That sentiment is changing some. And you're starting to get a little bit increased volume right there. I get that off the chart. Green. Starts turning green. Come back and retest that. Is that the right one? I just wanted to see. When you see me smoking greens in the green through a screen, we be prepping for them spikes cause it get tricky. That juice back to the chat, this tray sticky. And then almost comes back to that again, but holds. And that's one candle. 1 5 minute candle. It could be one fat finger. Yeah, it's pretty juicy right there. It's right when it stops being so bearish. And you have divergence. Right here. The circle is for this confirmation matrix. The triangle is for the EDV. So that means that we're definitely starting to get interested. Red, 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 red forever. Got divergences. I mean, you got hella divergences. But you have nothing except for, oh, maybe. Okay. We're starting to definitely look better. Got it green right here. Maybe I'll just take the pullback. Maybe I'll take the pullback whenever it happens. All right, we'll just do the easy way. And we'll ladder it through the golden pocket Kimba box. All right, well, that's cool. That's cool. Almost to the 7.5. Yeah, shout outs to the London session traders. Come up about that short, come up off that long. Don't get got, don't get got. Don't get got. We got 6 minutes. Close above, higher is coming. At least a little bit higher. Maybe to the single prints. Clean this. Maybe it wicks in a little bit. If it tucks back within though, chances increase to move to retrace back down to the downside. Maybe the point of control. Shouts Cage. Yeah, it's a really juicy indicator. We got to learn to use it to make the most juice within our systems with it. Yeah, it's going to be really, really powerful. And that TPO is pretty amazing too. Initially agreed to shift structure. Somebody did anyway. Think about it. I'm not trying to think about it. Let's go, Kata Spada. Let's juice up. Yeah, it's not on the CoinWise dashboard. Maybe you get an overlay from the confirmation matrix on the dashboard at some point though. Holy shit. Just like that in real time. Oxada, it's like that. It's like that. Dude. Axada. Is it on the verge of collapse? It's always gonna be like that. Who do you think is running things? We just try to take a ride with them. Could have it right on your chart. That's right. On anything that you want. I got an S&P right here. Yep, it's got to respect its origins. You got to respect your roots.
Kimbo, we making it out the hood with this one.
We making it out the hood with this one. Who's gonna make it out the hood with this one? So it's around here. You got some spread gaps on CME. Damn. How about that? Turn green, come back, fill that spread gap and bounce. That's juicy. Let's see what open interest was doing. A little bit of long stopped out into that sell-off. And then come and get the shorts. Juice. Snap diddly. Oh shit. Is it gonna tuck in? No. No. Right to that single print though. Previous month point of control, previous week equilibrium, single print, and this is now part of our EDV levels. Yeah, look at that, that's crazy. 64. Big pivot. Is that the full rotation? Where was the top of that weekly rotation? So it filled the previous day, damn, right into the hourly close. Juicing it. can't do it. Can't do it. It's just too many things labeled. There we go, maybe a little better. 75, 75, breaking through that. Let's see our next thing. Yep, 75.90 is like ginormous now. So that naked point of control right there maintains our target. Magnet. All right, who wants to see some TRADFI? Is it aggregate? I don't think so. It's on the asset. Yeah, Cage. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. All right, let's see what, because we got less than an hour left. Yeah, they had their earnings, didn't react too nicely to that. And check out gold. Clean that low. Bad. That's crazy that failed auction up there. We were watching for that. We said needs to break 4160 to 4180. We didn't get one single 30-minute candle above this level at 4115. It was a cool move for, you know, FOMC. That was great. Right back where we started. Silver, right back where we started. I'm sure the monthlies didn't hurt. Oh, holding that 78. Come on now. That's looking more interesting for a sweep. Definitely looking more interesting now. Maybe down to the single print. If it's going to remain, if it's going to be bullish at all, maybe it cleans. Otherwise, you want it to rotate a little bit higher. Ideally, we turn daily value right now into support. So maybe we get like a little bit of a, if current momentum maintains, this area is the zone you want to turn into support. So if it bounces up, maybe I'll think about getting in a little thing between daily value area high. Anything, if it bounces above 80, and especially if these highs aren't looking too great, this is just today. This is just today. If those highs aren't looking too great, you know, you can get a pullback down into like sub 80. This low is good. I would maybe think about that, but we need to make a higher high first. If this folds over if it rolls over and holds this, you're looking at, again, an area that you want it to bounce to for your trigger. One hour before the markets, you go short. That's how is it working for you? Is it working? Tomorrow. Hey, let's go to the balcony real fast. All right, that's cool, Cage. Let's go to the balcony real fast. Tomorrow, SpaceX. What do we have left?
Me and my Kimbas outside of the crib, smoking that lettuce and counting the wins, running up trades and making it flip. We keeping it lit, you know how it is. One of my brothers said, I got a question, I really want to know.
Palantir tonight.
If you had 24 hours to juice, where would you go and what would you
do?
I'm about to break all the rules, load up the screens and go run up the decimals, hop in the chat.
SpaceX and AMD tomorrow. That's nice. We'll have something to talk about on Wednesday. And then Thursday? No, Wednesday. Nice. SanDisk. SanDisk isn't looking too Gucci. Yeah, either. Ooh, how about that Leo thing, huh? Snap Diddly. All right, to the balcony real fast. I'll be right back. For the legacy, wonder if I make it, will they really remember me? Take all my W's, pass them around. Hope to my people, we running the town. The clock running low, but my crew's all in. Everything we ever wanted, yeah, we going in. I'm about to break all the rules, load up the screens and go run up the decimals. Hop in the chat and just make it rain on my generals. Take all my gains and just split with my interval. Strap on the wrist, flex out on my enemies. Slap any hater that doubted the energy. If you had 24 hours to live with it, what would you do if it was you instead of me? What would you do? 24 hours. What would you do? 24 hours. And what would you do? 24 hours. I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? 24 hours. Where would you go? 24 hours. And what would you choose? 24 hours. See, I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? Would you go crazy, break every level in front of you? Flood out the chat and just flex with the W's. Gift out 100 to every last homie to push all the leverage and show them what legends do. Run up the profit and cash out the broker fast. Trade up a fortune and give every win to the All right. I'll be back.
And I'm cashing in every old IOU. You better Venmo me quick. I'm collecting the loot. All the stalling in line you doing just won't be cute. We don't debate, run a bag or I'm gone with the crew. I'ma airdrop the squad and put KIMBA'S on new. Show them the fib, let them see how the levels move. Got a bonus for every real one who stay true. No more rhyming and struggle. Tonight we go Kobe too. Tired of flexing, better hand me the entry. If you don't run it up, you're leaving it empty. OGs in the room, all the subs getting plenty. For everyday one, this win is a memory. And you gon' see what happens next when the clock hits zero. We just run the checks. I got a bulletproof mind, never second guess. Before I sign off, I make sure my fam is blessed. Take all my lettuce and cash at a final bet, then give it all back to the chat. No regrets. If you had 24 hours to run up a set, tell me what would you do? Would you double arrest? What would you do? 24 hours. What would you do? 24 hours. And what would you do? 24 hours. I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? 24 hours. Where would you go? 24 hours. And what would you choose? 24 hours. See, I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? Would you go crazy and flex on them all and not gift all your subs and let the squad new heights light up the Discord and bless every homies like 24 hours? What you doing with your time? That was the move. You said you got 24 hours, so go get your crew. No time to waste, just run up your truth. Kimba gang up, now what would you do? Kimba gang up.
Kimba, what would you do? What would you do?
Me and
and my KIMBA'S outside of the crib, smoking that lettuce and counting the wins, running up trays and making it flip. We keeping it lit. Know how it is. One of my brothers said, I got a question I really want to know. Nate, what would you do if you had 24 hours to juice? Where would you go and what would you do? I'm about to break all the rules, load up the screens and go run up the decimals, hop in the chat and just making it rain on my generals, take all my gains and just split with my interval. A P on the wrist, flex out on my enemy, slap any hater that doubted the energy, hit every prophet that tried to get next to me. After tonight they all gonna remember me. Empty the broker, withdraw from the floor. Cash in the bag, you know I want more. Take from the charts and get back to my fam. Give them that alpha they never could scan. Buy up the block and just throw out the plan. Whole gang, eating off the land. Whipping the Lambo, skirt on the shorts, no one stopping the flow. Bury the fight and revive up the hope. Throw a big party for all of the bros. Make every day like a payday. Show up for my KIMBA'S who rode on the down day. Shout to the chat, yeah we get it the wild way. Breaking the matrix, I'm seeing it sideways. I burn every troll in my path for the legacy. Wonder if I make it, wait, really remember me. Take all my W's, pass them around. Hope to my people, we running the town. The clock running low, but my crew's all in. Everything we ever wanted, yeah we going in. I'm about to break all the rules, load up the screens and go run up the decimals. Hop in the chat and just make it rain on my generals. Take all my gains and just split with my interval. Scrap on the wrist, flex out on my enemy, slap any hater that doubted the energy. If you had 24 hours to live with it, what would you do if it was you instead of me? What would you do? 24 hours. What would you do? 24 hours. And what would you do? 24 hours. I got a question I wanna know, like what you do? 24 hours. Where would you go? 24 hours. And what would you choose? 24 hours. See, I got a question I wanna know, like what would you do? Would you go crazy, break every level in front of you? Flood out the chat and just flex with the W's. Gift out 100 to every last homie too.
Back.
Push all the leverage and show them what legends do. Run up the profit and cash out the
Welcome to Marcinek 3-stream streak. Welcome. We are seeing coin-wise indicators and previews of some of the new coming out. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. This is S&P on the left. Bitcoin CME futures on the right. Big boy TRADFI session is in full swing. S&P opening with strength, pulling everything up. Monthly open. Tomorrow will be even nicer. Be there for the Kimba live trading exclamation dashboard for your times. Who Juicing's coming up later? Who Juicing Premier, hilarious. Counter trade the some of the more popular Korean streamers. And Who Juicing is just hilarious. You can copy trade the counter trade. 1111, I just saw that, Crypto Jammies. Let's go. Superstition. Big part of your trading confluence, that and moon cycles. We got a lot of the a lot of open interest is a lot of the shorts got stopped out. Which one is this? TPO? Oh, it's because I had the old one on here. Why the? It's because the app doesn't update. I had to reload the app. I'm not doing that. Oh, I had it on and I turned it off to do something. Damn, look at those. Look at those shorts. Snapped Italy. Got a lot of them. Bergie, let's go. I should have got some food while I was out there. Wonder if I have any snacks in here. Shout outs to PSG. Maybe I'll turn this off. That's pretty cool. This is the confirmation matrix. It's going to be released really soon, and it's really it's more juice than my brain has power to understand right now, but I'll get there and we will be charting it together. Definitely by the time it's released to all, we'll have it nailed down tight and can answer as much questions as you want. Shout out to PSG that's been nerding out on this already. Planning for today, you don't trade futures anymore? After a losing trade, you wait. You know, it's not a right time. It's not the right time to make a trade if you're not in the right headspace to take a trade. And we're not full porting anything. We're doing small proportions of our own capital, anything that we are willing to risk. I watched I was doing something and had this on in the background, but I had about 10 or 15 minutes of that new little Netflix thing on the prediction markets. It's pretty interesting. But that one dude that was like a cook and said that he lost his whole rent on Kalshi or something. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was Kalshi, not on Poly. And then he borrowed more money from his roommate and lost that. It's pretty common. Pretty common. It doesn't matter if it's prediction markets, if it's just any kind of gambling, if it's casinos. Did you see it maybe? It's straight gambling, dude. I forget what he lost it on. I was like, it was like kind of on the background. I was like, man, it's sad to hear it. People like just going so heavy on shit. Yeah, that's the one. I forgot what it was called. They called it like a micro doc or something. Totally. But same thing happens with trading. It's like, oh, maybe if I hit this one, then it'll all work out. Maybe I'll just like, they asked him what his, if he had limits for how much he was like willing to lose. And he said, well, I got $57 still in my trading account or in my checking account. So that's my limit. Like, what the fuck, dude? I lost a lot on crypto, but still have money to live. That's right. And it's really, really common. If you haven't lost money trading, you either haven't been trading for long enough or, you know, you're just extremely lucky. But if you have not developed a system, if you're not learning and improving, you've been lucky. You've been lucky because the market is unforgiving. It's a hard part of trading. No one wants to lose. Yeah, Orbs, for sure. It's tuition, yeah. You're either going to learn from losing or you're just gonna lose. Don't trade big. Even the big traders aren't trading with their entire net worths. At least most of them aren't. Credit cards, yes. Position size set. That's the way to do it, Anki. If you guys are curious about how to do that, There is a lot of information out there, but CoinWise does a good job of explaining it. CoinWise education, exclamation CoinWise. Calculating your position size based on your stop loss, your leverage, your targets. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Shout out to Inky. That looks like spot CBD. Damn. Well, looking pretty good. Going for that Beibu Gamma at 75.90. What's going to happen when we get there on S&P? I'm not even saying if we get there. Okay, what do you guys want to see? Giannis. Shout outs to Giannis. Buy the blood, sell the euphoria. Is that what you're doing, Ari? Have a great day, Orups. You juicing on the indicators? Hopefully you still have the Ooh, okay, Dolkong. How are you doing, Dolkong? Good morning. How are you? You're traveling China, can't log into YouTube? Snap diddly. Do they have limitations on YouTube in China? I know they have limitations about what you can watch. No crypto streams? This isn't crypto, this is traditional finance. Tell them that. Let's go Dolkong. All right, let's see Sol. Let's see ETH. Yeah, we need to do that. I'm gonna have to turn this TPO off. ETH held just like Bitcoin. Nice clean down here in the 1820 with the divergence. Let me get this off. Will this one turn it off? For fuck's sake, why is it still coming up with levels? There we go.
Who's riding with me? We here. Who's riding with me? We here.
Nice hold at 1820. Holding this. And previous month VWAP. Juice.
Started with a dream, now we living it right. Grinding in silence, but we shine so bright. The money comes slow, but the vibe so light.
Now we get back up to above the open. We identified this as being very, very not good. They held it forever. Bitcoin too. Sol put in a nice candle right now. Damn, 70. Very controlled. What's order flow doing? What do I have here?
Living the dream, now the vision's in view. From the bottom to the top, now we got the right cue. Now we laughing at the days when we struggled, running up the charts, now we hustle and juggle, but it's all for the family.
Yeah, open interest basically is reset.
From the island vibes to the city lights, we took the slow grind and turned it to flight. Toast to the future, we ready tonight.
Soul's looking for those highs, it looks like. Potentially the 75.
Good life's ours, and it's just begun.
Could be cleaned. Bitcoin needs more. Previous week VWAP right in front of us.
Yeah, we number one, living the dream and we having fun. We here, we here. Who's riding with me? We here, we here.
Looks pretty good for now.
Who's riding with me? Who's riding with me? We here, we here.
Right back to the open.
We here, we here.
Dolkong, are you in a thang? Yeah, I see you, Dolkong. Are you on mainland or are you in like Hong Kong? Hype, let's go. Failed auction at 51, nice. Yeah, almost got it all. But holding 50 is good. Weekly close down below, everything not great. Just below though. There's time. For hype, if we get a bounce, I would look for at least up to like, I mean, that's a pretty nice little move. Maybe I will look up to like the 58, 59 previous all-time high levels for profit taking. I wouldn't really be looking to short down here, that's for sure. Maybe if it like cleans this, you run into that. Something like that. I'll be looking for a short. But I'm not really trying to short here. Unless Bitcoin is like really like... yeah, something like that. Just shave a little bit down here. That's not great. And then like I'll be going for like the imbalance at least. That's a little bit better. It's 2.5. But maybe even all the way down to like here. For my moon bag. Uh-oh. Network error. Am I still here?
Useless Lines Records.
I said, whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing with me. Kimba gang. Kimba gang. Hoodrison gang. PSG gang. Kimba gang.
For right now, we're just going to keep an eye on Bitcoin. For ETH, the pullback, I'll be looking maybe for a bounce 1850 to 1860 to get interested. It is trying to reclaim this zone for support. So if you're really looking to get on board, I mean, you probably want to hold this wick anyways. But I think that's a single print right here. It is. Yeah, maybe it like closes the single print. It fills and goes, cleans this low right here. Depends on what Bitcoin does. ETH had a pretty weak weekly close. I mean, actually, it wasn't that bad. But with that sweep, if I wasn't short already, I would be looking for higher before lower. Probably previous week VWAP range, 1900 to 1920, any higher than that. And I mean, I don't even want it that high because of this high right here. That's what I would be targeting. If you're already in something, I'd be taking profit around these highs. Shaving some. And then looking for these highs. Turn this into support. That's probably coming. And if you missed the boat, if we start trading around here, which has been here forever, and it begins to pull back, I'll be looking for that. So a couple ideas depending on what we see. Get these levels going. Let's see what S&P's doing. All right, what do we want to see? 47 to 50, yeah, I'm thinking 45 to 50 for me. But I like that, Inky. Yeah, it's a good zone. You're in mainland now? Let's go, Dolkong. Enjoy your trip, brother. Is it business or for enjoyment, recreation? Good morning, Psycho Talent. How we doing? Really, Ari? I mean, we encourage people to voice their opinions as long as you're not trying to force your opinions on others. Most of us are just trying to learn to read things better, to juice up harder. And definitely you know things better if you can explain it. Shanghai Disneyland, let's go, Dolkin. You're always taking the kids to different Disneys. You guys love Disney, don't you? That's amazing. How old are your kids, brother? Shoutouts to Dolkong. What's the plan for BTC? We're in all three, brother. Right now, Bitcoin had a strong move off the open. We're waiting for S&P to see what happens around 75.90. It's strong call wall up here. Highs are forming pretty not that great up here. So as the session develops, we want to see what happens there and whether it's going to pull Bitcoin up to clean its own bad highs, or we get a clean and a pullback. Plan for Bitcoin, if you're not already in something, we identified a couple of areas of interest when we were in the lows that would be pretty juicy. A pullback for Bitcoin, as long as it holds settlement. 63.3, I think, be as low as you really want to go. Maybe 63K. And then if you're looking at spot, I think probably as low as like 62.8 or 9. These highs are bad. So that's gonna remain in the back of our minds. Single prints tend to be resistance the first time that you visit them. So we're gonna need some conviction to continue this move. That was a pretty good move off the open. So it's very possible for us to just consolidate here and maybe we get a pop up. We're waiting. If you didn't take this, there's nothing wrong with that for a short. I personally don't like that for a short. If I was looking for a position right now, I would be waiting to see if we pull back a little bit more and either come back and clean or reject. We need to break structure. If it does continue moving upwards, I'm gonna see how high it goes and wait for a pullback right back to this zone. Right now it's holding above those highs. That's nice. I'm looking for this to hold on a pullback. Otherwise, I feel like we're gonna fill in a lot of this, potentially that too. That's a good target right here though. What are you looking for, GG? Yeah, if we get an SFP, that's what, I mean, SFPs are just like so beautiful. Love trading them. You got an error also? Yeah, it must have been Twitch. It's too much juice. Yeah, Ari, anything you want to ask questions about on stream, but I think that the, especially in PSG, as long as you're just like not too passionate, it's just all discussion. It's all our opinions. Hey yo, let's go JP. You're looking for a short? Yeah, I feel you. I wouldn't, it's not time to short yet in my opinion. But follow you. What are you looking for? Just on Biddy? S&P is looking pretty good right now. I think it's going to get a little bit higher. It might pull us up. We might field auction up here, but I don't like these highs at all for a short just yet, especially holding this level. I turned TPO off. Oh, that's the other one. What the fuck did I just do to this? Why'd I turn it off? That's not the one that I had it on. Yeah, down to the point of control, maybe. but it's not looking like that. It doesn't look like the pullback kind of day. You kind of want to hold this if you want bullish momentum, which is the opposite of what you want for the shorts. So just give it time if you're looking for one, I think. Hey, congratulations to anybody that juiced up on Coke Zero's gift subs. MEXC83, you still here? Coke Zero juiced up 20 lions for CoinWise indicators. Holy shit. You guys are hashtag blessed. Sweep the high and wait for see if it's the SFP or not. Yeah, even if it's a failed auction, just give it time. That's some good strength out the open though. And what was the earnings today? Oh, it's all tomorrow. Wait, it was just Palantir today. And it was SpaceX and AMD tomorrow. Mother of Cachoyas on Cardano. Let me see this. Do I even have it on this? It's probably in more shit coins and I don't even have it in here. Oh, I do have it in here. I mean, that's pretty nice. They must have earnings. Yeah, looks like it wants that high. That's cool. Shout out to Cardano. It's got room. It's got room up to 22 cents. It's looking pretty good. Watch for SFP above 20. Turn this into support though. I'd probably be looking for like 23. 22.5. That's a 10% move if it like turns that into support. That'd be pretty nice. Let's keep an eye on that. Bitcoin pushes up, pulls Cardano with it. Damn. Yeah, it's still holding. All right, let's get it back. All right, what do we want to see? Yeah, well, we got to be prepared. Let's go Archon. Been tracking it for a few weeks. Let's go. Aurum, let's go. Res QQ. Dokong, have an amazing trip. I hope your kids enjoy it. How old are they? You ever go on a Disney cruise? Tia? All right, Mayo. That's why I did it.
Worth some stuff, can't say how much I tell you that. Well, over 5 M's last time I checked. Stuff you
Yeah, it's
saving
breaking
up,
out
I
from
don't like
this.
no disrespect. 3,000-4,000 down drain as soon as I get dressed.
They lined up those dominoes. I would still be looking for maybe a failed auction up here. Or a rejection. This is a daily candle. Damn, it held that. That's pretty juicy. It's a small range. I mean 10%, but it looks small. That's what he said. I mean, that's what she said. Yeah, that was asking for it. Golly. And then it goes all the way back to here. Yeah, looking not too bad. I'm not really like the biggest fan of this coin, but it looks juicy right now. That's your triangle. Okay, so we got a lot of volume up here at these highs. We're breaking above and outside of value. If you want to get interested in TIA, I would not long it right this second, but if it pulls back, then I'd be looking for a real shallow little thing. If you have conviction with higher. That's what I would be kind of looking for, targeting this naked point of control and potentially these highs right here, which are bad. I don't know if it's going to be able to break through like that 35 zone. But 34.5 from here, not too bad. Not too bad. Little move. It is the future of finance, so spot. Biddy will pull it up. Algo, I have not traded Algo since the 2022 World Cup. Real talk, but I'll chart it. You remember Algo and Cheese were like sponsors of the World Cup? It wasn't Cheese, but that was the ticker. I used to like Algo. Yeah, it looks good right here. Yeah, yesterday was a nice little breakout from those lows. And on the weekly, that's a nice weekly candle. You turn the trend candles off and it's looking green. Looks like it wants to fly.
But I was looking back, cause of my thought for the six stars. I don't calculate my back.
Did you get this yet?
But you must bless a man. Every Monday priceless, Tuesday my Venus, Wednesday night, Thursday run it up. Friday.
Anybody looking for some Algo? Looks okay. Yeah, watch out for a pullback right here. I think that maybe if it pulls back, you're still going to be able to get a bounce around the 8.5 cents zone. Unless Bitcoin just nukes. I'm eyeing this. at the 9.3. And then the 9.7 cents. Which would be a good little move. A good little move. The daily looked good. The weekly looked good. The 4-hour does not. From... But it's looking okay right now. Green trend. You got spot 2 days ago? Nice. So what was 2 days ago? Saturday? You got it on this pullback? That's pretty good. Not too bad. Do they do staking? Anything cool like that? I don't even remember. Math, data, juice. He fipped it. Shout outs to the 886 gang. It held the Kimba box. I mean, dude, spot a day after it, or 2 days after it, like, took the lows for how long? It's not a bad place to be getting a little bit of spot. On a reclaim. Denial. Shouts to Denial. If you're not burping... Did I burp? That was just my cup. Did I burp? I don't think I did. If you're not burping, you're not crypto facing. Shout out crypto face. Oh, I just bonked the mic. Shit. Yeah, we got you, Ari. Yeah, you're welcome, Mayo. Are you in a thing on Tia? Let's get our levels ready for is anybody still trading Palantir? I don't know about this one, but it's got earnings today, so keep an eye on it. These highs are bad. The lows aren't bad. You want to see it back above 130. I want to see it back up here above 135. If I'm in a thing. Maybe it gets this. That's not really that great. That'd be a nice move. And then for tomorrow, what is it? AMD. Crazy, that EMA. Highs are terrible. Shout outs to anybody that got in. Oh, you didn't. You know where that was going. Damn, really? right under the point of control. Move quick through that node. Bounce on this high volume node and hold it. Go from here. Yeah, you need to get back over the 488, 490. Bad highs. Make a point of control. I got everything off. I need to put it, I need to fix it. Who else is tomorrow? Was it SanDisk? Who was the other one that we were like waiting for? Oh, SpaceX. I mean, they just keep making lower lows. It's going sub 100 in my opinion. But doesn't mean that it's going there now. If you got in at those lows, good recovery. Good recovery. Let's get a close back above 112. Even 110 for that matter. Right off the open. All-time lows. All-time lows! You just had a meeting with Palantir? Let's go to Wojo. It was not an official burp. It was testnet burping. Oh shit, we're almost out of time. I for real gotta go too. I'm so goddamn tired. Mondays. Love it. Hey, great morning, y'all. Great morning. Keep an eye on that 7590 on S&P. Nothing really changed. 7590 is a big one. Shout outs to the KIMBA'S Den exclamation Discord. Let's go ecstasy. Keep an eye on that. For Bitcoin. There's a couple levels that we wanted to keep an eye on. But really we just want to hold this in balance. If it retraces anything down to like the 62.8 could still bounce and you can make a higher high. You don't want it to really go down there though. These lows are not good. Front running that naked point of control. We still are green in our matrix right now. So that's a win. Shout outs to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, and coinwise.com/dashboard juice. Keep an eye on that GEX. It's just Monday. This is the monthly open for traditional finance. Let's go, Dan Green. Thank you for the resub, brother. Kimba Gang always. Have a great day. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on S&P up here. 7590 is definitely going to be substantial resistance. Damn, that naked point of control still holding. On why was I even still on SUI? I thought I had fixed it. Yeah, accepting back inside settlement. That lines up with like the 62.8 or 62.9 pullback. Really don't want it to go all the way back down there. Gap resistance. This high, no bueno. A lot of reasons that that wouldn't hold, but watch this single print bounce. Yeah, new TPO coming soon. Shout outs to CoinWise. And huge thank you to Coke Zero. Juicing up the lines on CoinWise today. We got Who Juicing coming up in a little while. New Who Juicing premiere. Tomorrow you got Kimba Live Trading. Make sure that you go in the dashboard and update your exchange UIDs for all the Gucci exchanges. Yeah, his words, big giveaways this month. TP'd 2 shorts from yesterday. Let's go, Mayo. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Yeah, huge thank you to Coke Zero. Big shout outs to MEXC as well. Juicing up the Lions. Yep, Mark's got the umbrellas out. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to all of you. Keep an eye on those earnings later today. Be ready for Who Juicing this afternoon and Kimba Live Trading tomorrow. Talent show tomorrow too. Exclamation talent show. Get your entries in, y'all. You're just missing out on free juice. Absolutely, JV. If you want more, you know, I'm happy to do it again. Maybe we had a little bit of vol, so I was trying to move through it quickly. But gladly, I love talking about this stuff, man. Shout outs, JV. Baldicular, have a great day. Shout out to Archon, much love. MEX83. Biffum, Colin Noob, Coke Zero, Rajalicious. Shout outs to all the mods, admins, developers, the whole team. Shout outs to CoinWise. Shout outs to the exchanges. Huge shout outs to Happy 420. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? I don't think I've seen you all day. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday morning for some more nerd outs. Let's go. Oh, that was our 4-hour close. Shit. That was a good 4-hour, actually. What did it look like? Cancel. I want to see this. Yeah, that one's okay. Watch me pivot and play, turning red to green like it's just another day. Let it rain profits, let it storm success. I made my name, now I'm taking pretty nice 4-hour, but it did tuck in, so yeah, give it some space. My control, holy shit. They said stay quiet, but I made my sound. Took the risk, now the world's my playground. Confidence stacking like my equity's grown. That's so crazy. All right, y'all. Absolutely, we fancy. Maybe Band-Aid. You too, man. I'll talk to you in DM. Hope you have a great day. Hope everybody has a great day. Indo Lion, JV. Yeah, JV, I love seeing different people's approaches. You can only learn. Maybe even if you already have your own system, you just like opened your eyes up to like not even using something differently, but an idea that you can juice with. Yeah, that's the beauty of this. You can always improve your edge. Yeah, look at that high. They're coming for it, I think. Have a great day, ResQQ. Absolutely, we fancy. Noojo, he reavin'. Watch out for a sweep and a swing fail. We discussed this quite a bit. Yeah. Dolkong, have a great trip with your kids, brother. Bergie, we fancy. Curvies, MEX83, much love. We fancy. ResQQ synonym. MJ. See y'all in the chat on Who Juicing in a little while. Peace out.
It's Mandalo. Early morning.
Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them.